Hi you guys, thank you for watching another episode of Girl You Always Doing Something. Alright, so I did a pattern haul maybe a few months ago, and in my pattern haul I showed you some of the things that I was going to make. Well, I've actually made it. Alright, so we have McCall 7688. I did view E, and we're going to do a pattern review. This is not a sewing tutorial, it's just a review. Okay, so let's talk about this McCall's dress. This is a very loose fitting dress. I had to go a size down, and I did make a few alterations. First alteration I made was with the neckline. I just folded it over and just did a regular hem. The pattern I think made you cut out a neckband. I didn't want to do the neckband. Also for the sleeves, I did a nice, they already come pre-packaged, like a rib knit. Let me zoom out. It already comes pre-packaged. The rib knits, it came in two, and it's the cuffs. I really like the texture of that. I thought it added more character, and it gave it that contrast kind of look, in my opinion. All right, so moving down to the ribbon. With the ribbon, I would not make it as long the next time. I just something like feel like it's crawling on your leg. It's just so long. You can double tie it, but I would shorten up the length of the ribbon if I ever made it again. And here's the back of it. All right, so it's just really plain. It has those kind of like those drop sleeves. You see the drop sleeve starts all the way down here. It was a really nice, easy, and fun sew video. I think I may have did a video on this, but it may have got deleted. So this is, again, just a pattern review. If I do find a video of the sewing tutorial, I will definitely post it, because I did create a video, just don't know what happened to it. Please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Sorry, I don't know, it's like slurring over my words. I'm thirsty. But thank you very much for watching, and I will come to you with more videos. Bye.